Daniel has seen one example of unethical procurement. Let's listen in as the team discusses the 4 causes of unethical procurement behavior.
There are many possible situations in which you need to be careful not to compromise your ethics, but there are 4 main causes: conflicts of interest, conduct with suppliers, corruption, and gifts.
What do you mean by conflict of interest?
It's a situation in which you or someone else's personal interests are different from the interests of TriStar, our company.
It would be like the example we saw earlier. Let's say my brother-in-law owned a uniform cleaning service provider, and I told you that they promised to deliver our cleaned uniforms back again, damage-free, in 24 hours, but that they couldn't put that in writing.
That would be an example of Ron putting his family's interest above the interest of TriStar.
What other situations could become conflicts of interest?
Engaging in personal business with an employee of the supplier, or borrowing money from a supplier, even if you intend to repay it.
Then there's nepotism, which is putting a member of your family's or friend's personal interests above that of the company.
It also means protecting the procurement process from outside influence. Like if Paul came to you and said, "We're choosing an uncompetitive supplier," without giving a good reason for it.
Daniel sees that a conflict of interest is one potential area for unethical behavior.